Okay, next problem. Applying full brake at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, the car traveled 40 meters until it stopped. Determine the average speed resistance. Okay, so dito meron formula na pwedeng kabisado nyo na. So, yung formula na yun is yung stopping distance. Meron kang sakyan, no? Meron kang sakyan, traveling at a certain speed, no? So, makakarating siya at a distance S. Okay, tas kunwari ito ay merong grade or yung slope. Tapos dito siya nag-stop. Okay, so dito ang velocity 0. So meron ng formula dyan. So ang stopping sight distance or ang stopping or braking distance is equal to V squared over 2G skid resistance or F, friction, plus or minus yung grade. So kaya plus or minus kasi po pwede na yung grade mo negative, no? Ayan. Okay, and then meron pa yan plus VT kung merong reaction time. Okay? So actually kung walang reaction time edi wala to. Tapos sa problem na to wala namang sinabi na merong grade. So ibig sabihin 0 lang yung grade or flat lang yung kalye. So ganito lang yung kalye. Ganyan lang, no? So it is traveling at a certain speed. Tapos ang goal mo mag-stop siya. Okay? So ang velocity is 0. So hinahanap mo lang. So meron ditong stopping distance, 'di ba? S. So hinahanap mo lang ano yung frictional resistance. So bali wala itong G. So masisimplify yung formula dito into V squared over 2GF. Okay? Yan lang yun. So masolve na natin. So lalabas lang na yung S natin is 40 equals yung velocity, gawin natin meter per second. Di-divide mo lang ng 3.6 squared over 2G tapos yung F. So masolve na natin yung skid resistance. So that gives us 0.35. Okay, and just in case hindi mo yan kabisado, pwede kang mag-energy equation. Kasi doon lang din galing yung formula na yun. So dito, anong energy mo? Kinetic, no? So 1/2 mv squared, no? Tapos dito naman, ang energy mo is 0. Pero merong work done by friction. Okay, so ano yung work done by friction? So kung ano yung distance natin travel times yung bigat nitong car, no? Kasi pag inanalyze mo yung car, so meron niyang weight, di ba? Okay, so meron ditong normal force. So meron nga yung frictional force dito. Okay, so therefore, yung work done by friction is simply yung force ni friction times yung distance natin travel. Diba? Force times displacement. Pero ano bang frictional force? Hindi ba ang frictional force ay mu times n? Okay? Now, sa pag summation of forces ka dito, yung n mo ay equal lang din sa W or mg. Mu times mg. So, yun yung work done ng friction. Tapos, ang gawin lang natin, let natin na yung mu, ito yung skid resistance. Okay? So, lumalabas, kapag pinagsama na natin, no, energy equation, so yung 1/2 mv squared minus yung work done ng friction, which is mu, or gawin na nating F ha, yung mu. So, F mg times S. No? Ito pa lang yan ha. Ito pa lang yan. Kaya may times S pa. Equals 0 kasi nag-stop na. And then from here, magka-cancel lang yung M. Tapos if you solve for S, transpose mo lang. Ayan. And then pag dinivide mo yung FG, S is equal to V squared over 2G. Kaya ito yun. Kaya ito rin yun. So galing lang yan sa energy equation. Ay, law of conservation of energy. Ganon din to. Pinag-aiba lang dito, meron ka ng potential energy kasi meron ka ng height. Okay? So that's how you analyze this.